In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage items on Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to adjust the quantity of a product in your inventory so your on-hand numbers match what you actually have in stock. Start by signing into your Xero account and heading to the sales area. This is where you'll find the tools related to quotes, invoices, and, importantly for today, your product catalog. From there, open Products and Services. This page lists every item you sell or buy, along with key details like current quantity, pricing, and whether the item is tracked. Find the item you want to update. You can scroll, search by name or code, and sort columns to make it easier to locate the right product. Click into the item to open its details. If this is a tracked inventory item, you'll see options to manage stock levels directly from here. Next, choose New Adjustment. Adjustments are designed for moments when your actual stock doesn't match what's recorded. Think stock takes, damaged goods being written off, or units received without a bill yet posted. In the adjustment screen, set the adjustment type to increase quantity. This tells Xero you're adding units to the on-hand balance. In the field that appears, enter exactly how many units you're adding. Double check the number. Accuracy here ensures your future sales, purchases, and cost reporting remain correct. Now, select the adjustment account. This is the account Xero will use to balance the inventory movement. If you're unsure which account to choose, follow your organization's accounting policy or check with your advisor. Many businesses use a dedicated inventory adjustment account for this purpose. Add a clear reference so you can track why this change was made later. Good examples might be stock take adjustment, found stock, or supplier delivery recorded after the fact. A short specific note makes audits and month-end reviews much smoother. Click Next to review your choices. Take a moment to confirm the item, the increase amount, the adjustment account, and your reference. If something looks off, go back and make corrections now. When everything is accurate, click Post Adjustment to finalize it. Xero will update the item's on-hand quantity immediately and create an audit record of the change. You'll see the new balance reflected in your products and services list and on any future invoices or bills involving this item. That's it. You've increased the quantity of an item in Xero safely and transparently. Repeat this process for any other items that need aligning, and always keep notes consistent to avoid confusion later. Keeping inventory accurate in Xero helps your reporting, ordering decisions, and profitability stay on track.